Hi everybody. Today we're going to cover a high-level demo of TopBuilder's construction software. What we're going to do today is we're going to quickly start with what is TopBuilder Construction Edition. We're going to cover who is it for. We'll discuss why is it important or critical for your business. And then we're going to walk you through a short demonstration on how it works. Okay, so first of all, what is TopBuilder? TopBuilder is cloud-based CRM and pre-construction software, which includes sales and marketing and bid management. It is specifically designed for the construction industry, essentially pre-construction and CRM software. Okay, so who is this for? TopBuilder is designed for the specific needs of both commercial and residential specialty or subcontractors, roofers, plumbers, electrical, any type of specialty contractor. Also, general contractors find TopBuilder Construction Edition very useful and beneficial. Construction management companies, very similar to general contractors, and also home builders and material distributors or manufacturers also use TopBuilder and achieve tremendous amount of benefit. Okay. So why TopBuilder? What is it going to do for your business? TopBuilder's goal is to streamline the pre-construction and the bidding process. And the goal of that is to make it more efficient and more effective throughout that whole process. And that all sounds fine and dandy, but let's show you how we're going to do that. First of all, part of the why is sales, marketing managers, estimators, marketers, and the management teams can all use TopBuilder to collaborate on opportunities to ensure your process performs at the peak level. And what we're talking about, the process is the pre-construction, sales, and bidding processes, okay? The important thing to achieve these goals is to never miss a deadline and always having all the data you need in one place, and that data is accessible from anywhere and anytime on any device. It's all in the cloud, available to anybody in a very easy to access way. Okay, all of this is going to reduce your costs, increase your profits, and also reducing or mitigating the risks that you have with your data and with the bidding process in general. Okay, so let's talk about how this is going to work. So first of all, this all starts with setting up all of TopBuilder to reflect the way you do business and also to help you achieve your very specific sales and marketing goals. This includes your job types. I'll open up a new lead here really quickly where you can identify the types of jobs that you do. It's completely customizable. Also, the different industries that you use. You can set up multiple divisions and track performance and sales by division and job type. And then, of course, the different sales phases that you want to track for performance, conversion rates, and sales. In addition to that, you'll be able to set up priorities and, well, there's many other things, but these are the main things that we'll be doing for you. Okay, so a construction-specific CRM and lead management will allow you to capture and assign leads to the correct teams based on job type, division, industry, territory. Okay, and so it's very, very important that you have the ability to set up all of your jobs and all of your bidding opportunities so that they're very organized right there on your dashboard, right there on your managed leads page, and have them assigned properly to, based on division, job type, industry, and territory, like we said. Okay, so all leads and all the bids will be organized on your dashboard, and your dashboard is completely customizable. You can set up your dashboard to show your leads on the top, your KPIs. You can remove items, move items around, and then also configure items like your sales funnel so that you can show just your leads or opportunities for specific divisions, opportunities for specific job types. You can show the number of items in the funnel or the revenue. And all this is completely customizable. If you are a subcontractor that typically bids out multiple bids for the same job, you have the ability to organize all of those bids under what we call a bid opportunity, and that's a specific job. So the way that'll work is you can go in here, set up a job, and then underneath that job, you can submit multiple bids, possibly to multiple general contractors, but all for the same job. This allows your funnel to reflect that this is one job, not 8. Your performance reports show that you've won the job or you've lost it, not won 1, lost 7, for example. Also, all your forecasting, won-loss reports all reflect the fact that this is one job. Okay, when leads come in to TopBuilder, it's really important that everybody get on the same page. So what we're going to do is here's some example alerts from our demo account where you have a new lead that has been assigned to somebody. Just show you an example right here. It includes a link that takes you right into that lead in TopBuilder. It will show you that you've been assigned to a lead as a project manager, potentially as an estimator, okay? All of this has a link to take you right into TopBuilder, okay? And then also any tasks that are due or bids that are due will also show up on your calendar, which is connected to Outlook or Google or whatever calendar you use, so that all of your due dates appear right on your calendar of choice. Okay, and in this case, what's happening is you're going to get a reminder if you forgot to do something. And in this case, you forgot to do a certain follow-up task. It gives all the information about the contact for that task and a link to go right into TopBuilder and access that information. Okay? Now, it's really important to know that TopBuilder is going to make sure all of your data is in one place. Okay? And by integrating with your ERP, your accounting system, your project management system, or your estimating system, we're able to pull in all of your customer data, contact data, project data, and we update TopBuilder throughout the day to make sure it is current with all of your customer data and contact data and job data at all times. That way you can use it for marketing, you can reduce any duplicate data entry, you don't have to enter data in 2 places, and again, your entire team can get to all that data within TopBuilder in one place. You'll also be able to use our scheduling module to schedule the projects, including sending teams out on site to do the pre-construction work. You can schedule crews, project managers, all from a simple drag and drop feature in TopBuilder, where you can just go right in here, select the job that you want, and then drag it right onto your calendar, and then schedule a crew or a project manager or a team member to go out and do whatever they need to do. Again, this is all synchronized with the Outlook calendar. In addition to that, all of your bids will be on a bid calendar, and your bid calendar will allow you to see all of your bids when they are due, okay, and then you'll be able to assign estimators directly to each one of your bids. Now, if a bid is yellow, that means it's missing an estimator, and then you can go in and assign the estimator. You can also move your dates around by dragging and dropping, and then in addition to that, again, all of this is connected to their Outlook calendar, or Google Calendar, or whatever calendar they're using. Okay, so From a lead, we'll go to our dashboard really quickly. You have the ability to, we'll move our leads, we'll move our KPIs up here. We'll use our work from our leads right here. From a lead in TopBuilder, all of your information is in one place. We don't have a separate lead, a separate opportunity, a separate count, a separate job. Everything is a lead, and every lead has a status. So it keeps things clean and it keeps things simple. Now, you'll be able to track all the contacts on that job, all the job details, but very importantly, you'll be able to submit quotes directly against that job. I've got a lot of quotes here, so I'll grab one of these quotes, okay? And I'll go into this quote, and I will show you that this quote starts with a very familiar worksheet type format. We call it the quote worksheet. It's very similar to Excel, where you can add items to your quote worksheet. You can select the items that you want to add to your quote. You can change the name. You can change the price. You can adjust the quantities. Okay? And then in addition to that, what you're able to do is go ahead and build out assemblies. And assemblies are by job type or division territory. And then apply assembly directly to the quote, which includes all the items that you typically put in your quote with the default quantities, costs, and price and markup available for that quote. Okay, now what's very important is you're able to add documents to your quote to convert the quote into a full-blown professional proposal. And the way to do that is you can just upload any type of document directly into TopBuilder. It can be a PDF, Excel, or Word, and you can add cover letters, design specifications, product sheets, selections, scope of work. I think you can see it here, but you can also add your standard contracts to TopBuilder. Let me see here, I'm going to exit this real quickly and then go back. Okay, you can also upload job photos and then your addendums, which can be standard contracts, standard terms and conditions that you include with any quote. And then once you preview the quote, it's going to build that professional proposal from that quote right here for you. And I can show you this in a PDF, okay, which is really nice with the job specifications, the scope of work, exclusions, inclusions, job photos, and the contract on it. Okay, wonderful. Now, what you can do from here is you can pick different templates if you want to show different formats for your quote, and then send the quote directly to the customer. Okay, and very, very importantly, what's going to happen here is you'll be able to track this. And so TopBuilder will allow you to track when it was sent, when it was opened, when it was reviewed, and even when it was accepted, and you'll also get alerts for each one of those events, email alerts. Okay, but now we can go back to the actual lead itself and look at the quotes, and then once the quote is accepted, you'll see that in the tracking information. You can see when they opened it, when they reviewed it, and when they accepted it, but then you're able to go in and look at a signed, electronically signed quote in the form of a PDF right there in TopBuilder. And that way your teams, again, can access all the information in one place. Okay, TopBuilder also includes email marketing, which allows you to target your emails directly to specific audiences like architects, engineers, building owners, property managers. That's very, very easy to do by just picking what type of company you want to target the email to and build your distribution list. You can drag and drop content right into the email and resize them, add links, add images, and then you can schedule it to go out. And it's a very good looking email campaign. Now, of course, you'll also be able to track in the email marketing module all your open rates, click rates, bounce rates, even opt-outs, unsubscribes, all of those things are being tracked within TopBuilder. What's also very important is you'll be able to set up KPIs so that you can report on different metrics, sales and conversion rates anywhere within the funnel. You can also set up KPIs for individual employees, individual divisions, and also set up your KPIs. I'll create a new one really quick by time frame. It could be annually, quarterly, or monthly as well. Lots of different KPIs. KPIs appear on the dashboard for your team and for the management team, and also there's reports on your KPIs as well. Lots of reports around why you won your jobs and lost your jobs, funnel reports, bid tracking reports, marketing reports, even tracking your traffic through Google Analytics, and forecasts. Forecasts will show you what is your job, what's your jobs looking like in terms of revenue, labor, or materials, looking out into the future based on the start dates and the end dates of your job, and also the probability that you'll close the job. Now, finally, what's extremely important is TopBuilder has unlimited daily training classes, Monday through Friday, web-based training. It's free. It comes with your subscription. It's over GoToMeeting. And again, it's Monday through Friday, every day of the week with a live person here in Houston, Texas. Also, there's unlimited support through email and phone. Again, that comes with your subscription as well. Okay, so to learn more about TopBuilder, please reach out to us at topbuildersolutions.com and schedule a demo by clicking the schedule demo link in the upper right-hand corner. And we'd love to be talking to you soon. Thank you.